So in this video we are going to discuss about the animal-like protest. So if we talk about the animal-like protest, as you guys all know, we are having the kingdom protesta. Okay, so in that, why the animal are basically placed in the protest? Because there were some animal which was having this different characteristics which were not similar to the animal kingdom. Like the animals are multicellular, but they were unicellular. Some of the organism were unicellular, so that's why they basically place into the kingdom protesta. That's why likewise there are some plants, some fungi too, which are placed in the protesta. That's why protest is called as a ragbag material, because they are consist of many eukaryote, multicellular, or you can say different type of organisms. Okay, so if we talk about the animal like protest, they were divided into the 5 groups. 2 we have discussed in the previous video, like sarcodina was there and the ciliates were there. Here we are going to discuss the third one, that is the flagellates. Flagellates is called the mastigophora. Okay, the name of the flagellates. Now, so the animals which are placed in this group, they are calling as a zooflagellates, because animal, zoo means animal, and flagellates, which means having a flagella. Okay, so flagella is used for the movement and all. Okay, so zooflagellates, most of the flagellates are basically, you can say, free living animals. Okay, they basically attached with the colony. Okay, like in the colony or in the group form, as well as they are what, they are unicellular. Okay, so if we talk about that, how many flagella they have, so they have one or more flagella. Okay, flagella is used for what? Flagella is basically, you can say, used for the movement or for the gripping of the food and all. Okay, so it is divided into this flagella is divided into 2 subclasses. First one is the euglenophyte. Okay, and second one is the parasitic. So if we talk about the euglenophyte, so euglenophyte is what it include, it is a subclass. It include the euglenoids, which means it is a group of euglena. Okay, so it includes the euglenoids. Okay, usually they contain only one nucleus. Okay, this is a subclass in which the animals are there, like euglenoids. So they are contain only one nucleus, and they're photoautotrophs, which means they can make their own food by the help of photosynthesis. Alright, and they basically store the food in the form of the amylin. It is what? It is similar to the starch like material. Okay, in the form of, they store the food in the form of amylin. It is what? It is similar to the starch. You can take the example of the euglena. Okay, they are having the flexible pellicle for the movement and for the, you can say, photosynthesis. Okay, if you talk about the parasitic, so the parasite bacteria, they are having the parasitic bacteria. We are having the trypanosoma. Okay, which cause what? Which is a bacteria which causes sleeping sickness. Okay, and it is caused by a African, you can say, CC fly is there, African CC fly, that is a carrier of that parasite. Okay, so these were the 2 subclass of the flagellates. So this was about today's third group, which was flagellates. In the next video we are going to discuss about the 4th group, and after that the 5th group of the animal like protist.